Hi. Now, what do you do when your skin has been damaged from skin bleaching? How do you repair skin that has been damaged from skin bleaching? So in this video, I'm going to be telling you the procedure in terms of skincare, what you should do. I will be recommending products as well that will help you, because when you bleach your skin, you've damaged your skin tissue. So when you're trying to get back your natural skin color, you will be working on targeting and repairing your skin cells, your skin tissue. So whatever it is that you're going to be doing is anything that will help to repair your skin tissue and bring back your natural skin color. Okay, so that's what I will be talking about in this video. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chikelly. I'm a certified esthetician, and in this channel we talk about all things glowing skin. I do a lot of product reviews, I do a lot of product recommendations, I do few DIYs, and I studied about natural skincare formulation, so I know a lot about ingredients when it comes to skincare. Now, if you like what you're watching, click the subscribe button and subscribe, like this video, and please share this video to anyone that you think would be useful to. Just share it, okay? And for my regular visitors, my sweethearts, thank you so much. So, how do you repair skin that has been damaged from skin bleaching? Now, there are actually 3 factors involved when it comes to repairing your skin tissue. You want to get your skin back to the natural color that it was when you started bleaching your skin. The first thing that is involved is, what product did you use? The first factor is, what product did you actually use that bleached your skin? Because it depends on how strong the product is. The second factor is, how long did you bleach your skin for? Did you just start bleaching maybe a couple of months, or have you been bleaching your skin for so many years? Because how long you bleach your skin is very, very important in repairing the skin tissue, because skin that has been bleached for just a couple of months, the tissue damage is not as huge as skin that has been bleached for so many years. Because when you bleach your skin for so many years, you've actually stripped your skin a lot of shades and shades of layers, and the damage on your skin tissue is usually not very good. Okay, it's usually bad. Okay, and then the third factor is, what degree of burn did you cause on your skin tissue? Because burns on skin tissue have degrees. How can they? First degree, second, 4, 5. Sometimes some people can even have up to 5-degree burn on their skin. Yes, from skin bleaching. That's how bad the damage is. Now, let's start with the first recommendation. First recommendation basically is for you to stop using the bleaching product that you're using. So bleaching is basically when you use any cosmetics. We are talking about the likes of creams, soap, pills. Some even drink, mixture, laser to change, to tamper, more like inhibit the production of melanin by inhibiting the cell melanocytes from producing this melanin. Melanin is usually what gives you your skin color. So you inhibit the production of this melanocyte. So as a result, your skin will start getting lighter. So you become, instead, more loads and loads of shades lighter than your natural skin color. So you stop using the bleaching cream. Yes, because now you're trying to repair your skin tissue. So you have to stop using the bleaching cream first. Okay? The second recommendation is you have to introduce yourself to a good skincare routine. So you introduce yourself a good skincare routine. Okay, now these are the products that I recommend. I'm not going to mention a particular product, but I'm going to talk about the ingredients. Let's say when you're going out to buy, you have to make sure that this product that you're buying has this ingredient, because remember, you're working on repairing your skin tissue. You're working on speeding up the your cell turnover to help you get back to that natural color. Okay, I love vitamin C. Okay, because vitamin C is very, very good in helping you to heal your skin tissue, and vitamin C too will give you that even skin tone that you're looking for. Okay, so you can get vitamin C serum, vitamin C moisturizers. I'm not going to mention any brand here because I'm not doing any product review. So so yeah, vitamin C is good. So that is my first product recommendation. If if your skin, you're just starting, you just started bleaching, you just have that hyperpigmentation newly, even if it's a year or two, aloe vera gel is very, very good. Aloe vera gel is amazing when it comes to repairing your skin barrier, repairing your skin tissue. Is really, really good. Okay, so you can apply your aloe vera gel all over your body, your face, your body. Is so good. It's a very, very good moisturizer as well. In terms of moisturizing your skin, aloe vera is perfect for people that are trying to that bleach their skin, that are trying to get back to their natural skin color. Okay. The third recommendation is shea butter. I love shea butter. Shea butter is a good moisturizer because shea butter helps your body to retain moisture, and shea butter prevents your body from transepidermal water loss. Because remember, when you bleach your skin, your body has lost a lot of water and a lot of natural oil from shedding off layers from your skin. So whatever it is that you're using, it's anything that will help to moisturize your skin, give your skin that hydration that is lacking. Because you shed layers, most people that bleach their skin, they have like a side effect like thinning of skin. So yeah, your skin tissues, is damaged. Let's be honest, from using all those bleaching cream, it has been damaged. You want to repair it, so use shea butter. Okay, cocoa butter is good. Cocoa butter, shea butter, they are all hydration ingredients. They are all hydration products that you can use. All right, now when you are into, like, if your part, like if skin of color is basically any skin that doesn't burn, but when it goes out in the sun it gets red. Okay, our skin doesn't burn when it goes out in the sun, but it darkens. Yeah, it darkens when it goes out, when you go out in the sun. Now, sunscreen. I preach about sunscreen all the time, and the reason is because sunscreen is one of the cause of skin damage, and sunscreen is one of the cause of premature aging. I'm not joking. And this is why it's always very important that when you're going out in the sun, especially those of us that live in a tropical climate, yeah, you need a sunscreen. Okay, so a lot of people don't like chemical sunscreen. If you don't like it, if you're one of, I'm one of those people that don't like using chemical sunscreen, especially for skin of color. But you can get moisturizers that has SPF. You can, anything from up to SPF 30 is good. So you get moisturizers that has SPF, okay? Because you need to protect your skin from the sun. Because remember, you're suffering from hyperpigmentation after bleaching your skin. You don't want to cause any more damage to your skin. Hell. Is this the first or second or third recommendation? I've lost count. I've lost count. Another recommendation is food. Food that are rich in antioxidants. And we are talking about protein-rich foods. We are talking about green fruits, green vegetables. We are talking about fruits that are rich in vitamin C. Because remember, we are working on repairing your skin tissue. We are working on speeding up your cell turnover, because it has slowed down since you started bleaching your skin. So even without it, as you're getting older, the cell regeneration slows down. So you need this kind of rich food, antioxidant food, to help speed up that cell renewal process. All right, now another recommendation is, I love you can look for serums or moisturizers that contains this ingredient called squalene. Squalene is very good because it helps to soothe your skin, and it helps to repair damaged cells, and speed up the cell renewal process, which is what you're working on as well. So squalene is very, very good. I love squalene. Any cream that contains squalene, you can see, like, you go through the ingredients, you can see, like, if it contains squalene or serum, it's so good. It's going to really, really help you in bringing back your natural skin color. Okay, there's something I need to say right now. Okay, when you're trying to repair your skin that has been damaged from skin bleaching, there is nothing like miracle. So when you stop, you made up your mind that, okay, you're going to stop bleaching your skin, you're going to get very, very dark, okay, because your skin cells are trying to heal. Your skin tissue is trying to heal. So you get dark. You get really, really dark. But you have to have patience, because, like I mentioned earlier, your skin tissue is trying to heal. So give your skin tissue time to heal. You get dark, and then after some time, depending on the degree of the burn and depending on how long you're bleaching your skin, because someone that just started bleaching their skin, their skin usually looks different from someone that have bleached their skin for so many years. Okay, the damage is also is not the same. So someone that just started bleaching their skin tissue will heal. It will just be like a fresh wound. So their skin tissue will heal quicker than someone that have been bleaching their skin for so many years. So you need to give your skin time to heal. Okay, give your skin time to heal. And while your skin tissue is healing, you will get dark. But be patient. Give your skin time, because your natural color will definitely come out at the end. Avoid any product that says lightening, whitening, toning, that contains steroids, products that contains hydrocortisone, because these products, they are going to, then it's just like you're going back again to what you're trying to avoid. So any product that contains hydrocortisone, steroids, whitening, lightening, toning that says it there on the tin. Do not buy it. Avoid it. Okay, stick to natural moisturizing products that screams hydration, moisturizing. That is what you want. Okay, remember I talk a lot about exfoliation. Exfoliation is very important when you're trying to work on bringing your natural skin color back. But my recommendation is, because scrub is not the best for skin of color, which is the kind of skin that bleaches their skin anyway. The kind, we bleach. Skin of color, we bleach. That's why people don't bleach their skin. They use tan. Now, my recommendation is that you look for chemical exfoliants or mask. Okay, you need something that will help you slough off those dead skin cells to allow the products that you're using to penetrate better, because dead skin cells, if they're on your skin, they block the penetration of your skincare products. So look for chemical exfoliants like lactic acid. Lactic acid is very, very good in sloughing off dead skin cells and is mild. Mandelic acid is mild as well, and salicylic acid is very, very good. It's part of the AHA and BHA, because salicylic acid is very good for someone that are oily or acne prone skin, because a lot of people that bleach their skin, they can end up with steroid acne. Okay, so but exfoliate your skin. The body scrub you can use on your body, but avoid it on your face. But you need to exfoliate your skin. It's very important if you're working on getting your natural skin color back. If you need any other advice, I can't remember. I can't even remember how many things I've said here. I hope the video is helpful, and I hope I've said few things that can help you. But if you need any more advice, maybe you can send me a message on my Instagram or Facebook. Maybe I can give you one more advice. I think I've said everything that needs to be said. Allow your skin time to heal. Avoid anything whitening, toning, anything that contains lightening, hydrocortisone products, steroids. Avoid them and use product hydrating that will help to repair your skin tissue. Now, I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and also, oh, my earring just fell off. And also share. Okay, share this video, and oops. Oh my goodness. Now, I look forward to seeing you in my next video, my favorite people. And compliments of the season. Mwah.